This is the gardening family welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, you guys see my newly growing Swiss cheese plant? I call it that because I can't think of the other word. I know it, but it ain't coming to mind right now. But the Swiss cheese plant, brand new leaf, companion plant, spider plant, and you see my little friend sitting in the pot with it. My little friend here, grow. Well, just came through to share this. Got a new little plant. And hopefully it gets bigger, and I'll repot it soon, hopefully, into something else. Let's go over here. This is where I used to keep my hens and chicken, and since I haven't been out here taking care of my garden, they perished. So I have to get that replaced. But the rest of them are jades, calico, banana, what was it? Banana boat, and probably some, dang, what's the name of that plant? I can't think of the name of it right now. Ooh, can't think of the name. Watch chain. Watch chain. I'm making a mess out of this video, y'all. I'm all over the place. But yeah, it's a watch chain up in there somewhere. It was. Let me show you down here. Watch chain. See those little long, spiky vine looking leaves there. That's the watch chain. Beautiful plant. Wish I was able to show you guys a picture of how I used to care for it. But that's it, gardening fantastics. Just giving y'all a view of the Swiss cheese plant, and that's about all. Till we meet again, don't forget to support the channel. Don't forget to invite me to support your channel. Don't have me over there subscribing and you not subscribing back. I don't play that. I don't play that. And don't forget to use the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and have a great gardening day. Bye now. Look at all my junk I got to clean up. So much fun to do on the balcony garden. Thanks for your time and support.